imagined by a visionary group of world-class spine health experts and their patients, driven by their passion and dedication. We are here to give real solutions and hope to those who are suffering with a neck or back condition and the people who love and care for them. This is not just a channel, it is a commitment to something greater. It's time to make spine health a national priority. Welcome to our community. The National Spine Health Foundation channel is built on our 3 pillars of education, research, and most importantly, advocacy for better spinal health for all. Spine conditions are the leading cause of disability across the globe. Our vision is a world where no one suffers from debilitating spine conditions. The expert-guided information here gives you both prevention information and helps you navigate treatment pathways. Here, you will find wisdom and inspiration. Whether you are a specialist or someone looking for quality content and guidance, we have your back. We are building a nationwide movement to make excellent spine health available to everyone. Our medical and scientific board is formed by the world's top experts in the field. The National Spine Health Foundation conducts independent research that patients can trust. Our award-winning research is nationally and internationally recognized. We collaborate with the world's foremost thought leaders, innovating tomorrow's solutions. Our channel sheds light on the latest breakthrough advances in modern spinal care. Are you ready to start your journey to better spinal health? Hit that subscribe button and join our community.